In today's video, I just wanted to bring you our faves, fails, and finishes for the month. And so we are going to be talking over what I've used up for the month, what I'm loving this month, and talk about anything that may have not worked out so well. And we'll be getting into it right now. I want to encourage you, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you like the content on this channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so for my finishes, let's go ahead and get into our empties. Guys, I have finished up this Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Repair Cream with Retinol for dry and very dry skin types. I have really enjoyed this product. Will I reorder it? Probably. This is something that I use in the winter time especially, and I use it at night. It is a really, really nice, soothing cream. It is really, really good for those with dry skin. It does contain retinol. It says that it visibly firms skin, targets all signs of aging. I just really, really like this one. I really like the Paula's Choice line. Everything that I've ever bought from Paula's Choice, I can't complain about. So yeah, I'll probably repurchase. I may wait until the winter time to repurchase it, but I'll repurchase. I have gone through another one of the Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balms, and I've started another one. I've got another one on backup, so don't plan on changing this up anytime soon. So loving it. I went through the Niacinamide from The Ordinary. This is great for cleaning out your pores, tightening your pores, and overall skin brightening from the clean out of the pores. So I went through another bottle of this. I'm on another bottle of this. It really doesn't matter to me whether I'm using the Ordinary's version of niacinamide or the Good Molecules version of niacinamide. They're both fantastic. So either or is perfectly fine, but I always use a niacinamide serum every single day. I put this on in the morning and I just love it. I've finished up the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. Would I repurchase? No. It's not that it's terrible, it's just not my favorite priming water. I have a lot of other setting mists that I love a lot better, and yeah, I just wouldn't repurchase it. I really love the Watermelon Glow Mist, and if I'm not going to go with an expensive brand, I love the Lumi from Revlon. So those are the two that I go with, either the drugstore Lumi or the Watermelon Glow Mist. I finished up a Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. I like this one whenever I'm going to wet down my brush and put on my makeup. It was fine. It's no better or worse than the MAC Fix Plus. It's just, this is what I had, and I finally finished it off. I finished a MAELOVE GLOWMAKER Antioxidant Serum. This is my vitamin C serum. Yeah, I just love this one. It's very cost effective. This is an L-ascorbic acid, and I know some people use the L-ascorbic acid powder that you use to make your vitamin C at home. I just don't see the point because this is so inexpensive and it lasts for months. Yeah, maybe I'll touch on that a little bit as to why I don't, and why I don't think it's a good idea. So yeah, I have issues with that, and maybe I'll talk about that later. But anyway, this is the one that I use. I use this one, Timless C plus E plus Ferulic is another good one at a very inexpensive price point. It lasts about 3 months. So they come in at about $27 a bottle, and it does last about 3 months, and you can even make it last longer if you'd like. And yeah, Very good products. Went through probably 2 or 3 of these. This is the number 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Serum. This is 7 times the concentration of Matrixyl 3000, which is a peptide that I love to use on my skin. I use this every single day. I just absolutely love this product. I really feel like that it has made a big difference in my skin, and love this one. I went through a bottle of the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This is by Sunday Riley. It does contain a gram-active retinoid, which I spoke about in one of my videos. I won't be repurchasing this one. I am swapping over to the gram-active, and gram-active retinoids are very different than regular retinoids. They are a retinoid ester. They are much more gentler than regular retinoids. They have the ability to bind directly to retinoid receptors without needing a metabolic conversion inside our bodies. So they don't have to be converted into retinoid acid, and so it's just a lot better. It's a later generation of a retinoid. It's a lot better for you. It doesn't cause as much dryness to your skin, so usually you don't have all of that dryness, that peeling that sometimes a retinoid will cause you. It wasn't that this was so much of a bad product. I didn't have any issues with this product at all. I just am going to swap over to a much cheaper product with The Ordinary that is a gram-active. A gram-active. You have to look for the gram-active retinoid if you want it to be similar, comparable, if you want it to be a dupe for the Sunday Riley. It can't just be a retinoid. It has to be the gram-active retinoid if you want it to be duping the Sunday Riley. So that's what I'm going to do, to each his own, but I won't be repurchasing this, and that's why. I've went through a bottle of the Timless COENZYME Q10 Serum. This works very well in conjunction with your Matrixyl Sin 6 as far as collagen production in the body goes together. They work synergistically with each other for collagen synthesis, so I use those two together with each other. Finish that off. This is the Gold Faden Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrates. This was something that we got in one of our boxes. I finished this one off. I like that very much. I finished off a JOA Down to Me Brow Pencil and Gel. Love this product. It's a dupe for the Nude Sticks Brow Pencil and Gel together. Then I finished off this small trial size of the Niacinamide Brightening Toner from Good Molecules. I have a big one of these already. I just found this little trial size one, so I went ahead and used it up. I finished off a L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. This is probably my favorite drugstore mascara. It's wonderful. You do have to pump it a few times, let it sit for a couple days, and then you're good to go. It's in prime condition to be used on your lashes to give you wonderful length, volume, and good curl and staying power. So if you don't let it sit for a couple days, you'll think this is the worst mascara you've ever bought. Leave it sit for a couple days, you'll think it's the best mascara you've ever bought. So it's just one of those kind. You know what I'm talking about. I am basically decluttering this ColourPop You're a Catch Super Shock highlighter. I finally made my decision about this, and the decision is I don't like it. It's got too much glitter for me, and it's just not going away. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up or not, but you can just see the glittery particles in it, and so I'm decluttering that. So that's, I guess, a fail. Okay, for my faves this month, I went on Mercari and I picked up the Life's a Drag palette from Manny MUA, and I'm wearing it today. I really, really like this palette. It is absolutely beautiful. It comes with a dual-ended brush. It is just a gorgeous palette. So I really, really am liking this palette. It's very, very pigmented. You barely have to put your brush into it. You just barely touch the color and you're good to go. I have really been enjoying this particular palette. I really like this one. So this is another good product from Lunar Beauty. I picked up replacements for, and I've got a little bit left, that's what went in my empties. For the OLAPLEX, I use the number 3, the number 4, the number 5, the number 6, and the number 7 from OLAPLEX on my hair. Guys, this product line is really, really good. I absolutely love the OLAPLEX line, and I just wanted to mention how much I've been enjoying this. My hair's in really good shape. I haven't done anything to it during the quarantine myself, which has been a miracle, but I really, really like this Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and I went ahead and picked up during the Sephora sale the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So I'm almost out. That'll be in my next empties, but I've been loving this for my hair. So just wanted to mention that. I picked up off of the Natasha Denona website her Sculpt and Glow palette. This was on 50% off. They did not have the lighter shade available on the Sephora website, so I went ahead and got it off of Natasha Denona, and I'm wearing it today. Oh, it is so pretty. I love cream products, and this one does not disappoint. I went in with the contour here and then the highlight here, and it's just so pretty. So I have been really enjoying this month. It is so easy to apply just with a flat paddle type brush that you apply your foundation with. That's what I've been using with this, and it just works so good. I love this palette. I also picked up, and this one I did pick up off of Sephora. This is the Diamond and Blush palette from Natasha, and this is the one in Darya. And I have still been hot on the train for this one. It looks like this, and I just love this shade right here. It is such a pretty corally blush. I have just a little, it don't take much, just a little bitty touch of this, and you're good to go. And it is so pretty. So I have just loved this palette. I just can't stop using it. It's just gorgeous for just a really nice light makeup look. Been loving it. I have to mention the Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. I have been loving to use these as shadow cards when I do my eye makeup first. They are so good for that. So I have to just give a shout out to Good Molecules, to Beautylish. Thank you so much for sending me these. They are wonderful, and you're getting great skin benefits while you're doing your makeup. They are so good. I love these things. I have been so enjoying the IT Cosmetics anti-aging armor. This is the 50 plus UVA, UVB. It's basically your broad spectrum physical sunscreen, but I love this as my foundation because it's just a perfect skin tone for me. It is so beautiful. If you have the right skin tone for this to be your foundation, it's gorgeous. So if you're light to light medium skin, it's beautiful as a foundation. It's wonderful. I've also been loving the Dream BB Fresh as a nice BB cream. This one's really pretty, and this one that I've got is in 110 light medium. It is beautiful on. I've really been liking this. There's no alcohol or anything in it, and it's by Maybelline, and this one's really good. Then I have been playing in my nude sticks. This is the one, what do they call this one? The Nude Beach Kit. There are some beautiful colors in this. So it's got the marooned, the rustic grotto, the one called Praia or Praia, whatever that color is. There are some beautiful colors in this kit, and I've really been enjoying this past month, and it's so fast and easy. Nude sticks are wonderful. If you have not tried nude sticks, what are you waiting on? These are so pretty, and they're so easy to apply. But just remember, with nude sticks, you do not want to put a primer down first because it makes it too hard to blend out. I just love them, but don't put a primer down. Loving my True Match Lumi Glotion. Just love this in the summertime because I have the one that's a little, I have the Fair Glow 901, so it has like a pink cast to it, and it's just beautiful underneath makeup. And of course, this past month I've been using this City Beauty Uplift Firming Serum, and this really works. This stuff is so good. It really works, and I love it underneath my eyes. And then just a couple more things. I've been back in love with my Tom Ford. This quad right here is so pretty. This is the one that is called, it's not new by any means. It's the Sous Le Sable number 31, and it is so pretty. And you can do your eye look in like 5 minutes with this thing. It's really pretty. I know it's bougie, but it is so pretty. So that's one of those expensive ones, but good ones. And then the two lippies that I have that I love for the month is my Penelope Pink. I've really used this one this past month. This is just a really pretty, almost, it's not a pink. I don't know why they're calling it Penelope Pink, because this is really not a pink. It is a straight up nude. There's not much pink to that. And then, if you don't have this one called Stoned Rose, this is such a beautiful terracotta color. It's just a warm terracotta. It is so pretty. Like with all of your copper colors, you just can't beat it. I always get people asking me what I have on whenever I wear this, and it is so pretty. So those are my favorites, a fail, and my empties for this month. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me some ideas what you've been loving this month. Put them down in the description box. I'd love to hear from you about the favorites that you have and anything that didn't work for you. These are some of my favorite videos to watch, and these are some of my favorite comments to read. I look so forward to hearing from you, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Don't forget, subscribe down below if you haven't already. I look so forward to having you as part of the Get This Glowing team. And don't forget, ring the bell, and that way you won't miss a thing. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!